How to create images using Leonardo AI. First, open your web browser and go to leonardo.ai or open the Leonardo AI app if it's available on your device. Then sign in or create a free account. Next, from the home screen, tap Generate or Create Image. Now, tap the prompt box and describe the image you want to generate. For example, you could type a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, neon lights, and cinematic lighting in ultra-realistic style. If you want, you can adjust settings, such as the image size, art style, number of images, or model, depending on the options available in your account. Once your prompt is ready, tap the Generate button and wait a few moments while Leonardo AI creates your images. When the images appear, browse through the results and tap your favorite one to view it in full size. If you'd like a different result, simply edit your prompt or generate another variation. Finally, tap the Download button to save the image to your phone or share it directly with others. That's it. You've successfully created an AI image using Leonardo AI on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, image generation tips, and easy tech guides.